go. Oh yeah, there's a few dead in here. All right, we're gonna take them both out at once.
Yeah, I guess you can.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna have to come back up to get supplies though. I didn't bring the second appy stand. You want me to bring everything?
Well, no, that. Now let's just do one at a time. We'll do one at a time. I know. I'm so upset. So upset. You got the box?
They just like, what's happening? Can you move the box a little bit? I like how their big flaps are just like swaying.
Yeah, look. Yeah, I know. I was gonna say, you can see it. That's just pure bee. That's crazy. We'll do the back first. That way we don't have to go past them to do the next one. There's the 2 hives. Okay. I'm gonna put you guys up here. There we go. Okay, so how we want to do this? Okay, you have the bars here. Put the thing down here so I can get to my stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need this.
And we can take the lid off and put it on the ground and put the...
Yeah, here, I want you to take the lid off. On the ground, middle side down? Yeah. Okay.
And we can sit on that.
Okay. And we gotta take this out. Take that off.
And one frame.
One frame comes out?
Yeah, because remember he was saying that because the queen cage is
Yeah.
for the spacing.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it. We're gonna put her right in there.
Put her right in where so we can see the marshmallow.
Okay, so pull it out.
Not yet.
So pull it. So it's gonna be, yeah, right there. Okay. Okay. So we need to get these guys off, right? Shit.
We gotta take it.
Okay. Here we go.
Am I recording?
Yeah. I'm gonna pull this out. Hold that. Okay, so, huh?
Pull that out and put it.
Okay, sorry guys. I'm sorry. We're gonna pull out the queen. And we're gonna put you back in there. Shh, shh, shh. I know. I'm so sorry. Here, I'm gonna put these guys down here. And you, my little queenie.
Get him off of his cage.
How do we get him off?
You can brush him
Oh, this guy's dead, I think. Where is she? Okay, yeah, she's alive. Awesome. Okay. Okay, hold on. No. I don't want you anywhere near her. Okay, where's the, Okay, get the marshmallow ready?
You gotta put your finger.
Yeah. Wait for her to get to the other side. Okay. Where you at? Okay. This side. Put that marshmallow. So then we put the marshmallow. There's our little queen. She's in this right here, sweetie. She's in this this little capsule right here. Oh, we should put the apple stand strips before we Oh, you know what?
You put her down.
Put her down, okay. And they said put her, excuse me guys, to bend her little hook like that. Oh, we already had one casualty. You're gonna get squished, dude. Get out of there. Okay. So there we go. Ah! Shit. Okay, I'm not doing. Yeah, hold her. Or this. Okay, now see, there's enough. Put the other.
There is.
I was gonna say no.
Well, he took one out.
Yeah, but his wasn't a 10 frame.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay, so now we leave her there. Put this there. Let's get that. Oh, apple jam chips. Thank you. Oh, well, sorry, dude. We're just gonna have to work around you. Not yet. Oh yeah, I think I have. One's taking the queen out. Okay. This is for the mites. So he said we'll put one on one side. And then we'll take the other one. Hey, you're just gonna hang out on my glove, aren't you? The other one over here. What, you want to do a patty corner? Okay. Well, I don't want to squish you, but if you're gonna stay on my fingers, dude. Okay, get the lid.
Do you need to dump a few more in from the can?
You think we should?
Or maybe just dump them on top of the bowl?
I think we just dump them right on top of the hole. Oh, sorry. Get out of there. Get out of there. There you go. Okay. Okay, get the box. What do you want? You think we should
No, we can
do it over inside the box, right? Okay. Yeah. I know we're all like worried about every single bee. Okay, here we go. Now, do I need to
You gotta
shake them again? Okay, where's the tool?
What tool?
The hive
Oh,
tool.
the hive tool?
I need that. I'm gonna need that to pry them out, to pry the can out. Okay, girls, one more time. Here we go. There we go. Okay, we gotta do it kind of. Okay, here we go. Everybody in. Everybody in. Okay, this isn't fitting, City. Yeah, I don't know how he did it, because this is gonna cover the hole.
He might have had a side hole.
He did have side holes. Okay, hold it. We gotta dump them. Sorry, girls. Here you go. This is bees being poured. Holy smokes! That is scary. Okay. Everybody out. Everybody out. I know. You would just love this thing. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave you guys here for a bit. Everybody get off. Everybody. Oh, here we go. Nobody gets smushed. Nobody gets smushed. Here. Everybody, just sit there. Huh? Yeah, just shake them off that, and we'll chuck that later. We're just gonna. I think we need to let these guys settle in for a bit. I don't know how we're gonna get them out of there. I know. Should I just shake it some more and get them out? Okay. Sorry, girl.
What he did say, you can put the box down for any remainder one.
Put the. Oh, that's right. By the
entrance.
By the entrance. Should I shake some more out?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, gosh, I'm trying not to.
Yeah.
It's for your own good. Think of it like a carnival ride. I know. Okay, that's enough. Yes, you're mad, I know. There you go. There's your home. Yeah, no, there's a bunch of the back of mine probably too. Okay. Get the feather. Here, give me the feather. And we're gonna try to push all these guys. Hey, off. Everybody off the lid. Everybody off the lid. Everybody down. Off the lid. Off the lid. Off the lid. You don't want to get squished, I promise. Okay, there you go. Happy home. Happy home. There you go. Whoo, you guys are mad. Okay. Not as bad as I thought.
Okay.
See, that's why I wanted to do this one first, so that we can just walk
Yeah.
over here. And they'll follow us for a bit, but here, let's... Okay, so one hive down, one to go.